What if you could turn just $500 into thousands by the end of 2026? Today, I'm going to show you 5 investments that can actually grow your money fast, smart, and safe, even if you've never invested a dollar before. Let's start with stock market index funds. These track a whole group of companies, like the S&P 500, so you don't have to pick individual stocks. The secret? Consistency. Even $50 or $100 a week adds up. Over time, compounding does the heavy lifting, and by 2026, your money could grow much faster than you expect. Index funds are simple, reliable, and perfect for anyone serious about long-term wealth. Next, ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of them like baskets of companies you can invest in at once. You can pick tech, healthcare, or renewable energy ETFs, spreading your risk. Flexible, easy to trade, and a smart way to diversify. Small, consistent investments here can turn into real gains by 2026. It's about building a foundation, step by step. Now, crypto. It's volatile, yes, but it has massive growth potential if done right. Focus on long-term, well-known coins and never invest what you can't afford to hold. Forget chasing hype. Instead, invest small amounts regularly. That's called dollar cost averaging. With discipline, crypto could be a high-growth part of your portfolio by 2026. Remember, it's strategy over luck. High-interest savings accounts and bonds are your safety net. They won't make you rich overnight, but they grow your money steadily with almost zero risk. Bonds pay interest, and high-yield accounts compound cash while keeping it secure. Pair them with higher risk investments, and you've got a balanced, solid plan. Your money works for you while you sleep. Finally, turn your skills into income-generating assets. This could be freelancing, an online business, or creating digital products. These side hustles don't just bring extra cash. They create long-term income streams that grow over time. Consistent effort here can complement your other investments and fast-track your wealth by 2026. The key is thinking of your time and skills as assets, not just work. So, the 5 investments to focus on are index funds, ETFs, cryptocurrency, high-interest savings or bonds, and side hustles that become assets. Start small, be consistent, and reinvest your gains. The sooner you act, the bigger your results. 2026 could be the year you finally take control of your financial future. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about smart, consistent action.